In this example, I'm going to show you how to create normal probability plots with SigmaXL. The example I'm showing you is taken from page 102 of the SigmaXL version 6.1 workbook. Now with SigmaXL open, you are going to click the Data Manipulation button, which is located at the far left-hand side of the screen. Then you are going to click on Random Data, and you're going to click on Normal. Now you're going to leave the number of columns at 1, number of rows at 100. However, you're going to change the mean to 100, and you're going to change standard deviation to 25. Click OK. Now you'll see that SigmaXL has created 100 rows of random normal data with a mean of 100 and a standard deviation of 25. So now what you're going to do is go ahead and change the column heading. You're going to rename it to normal data. And now what we're going to do is create a histogram and descriptive statistics for this data. Now what you're going to do that is you're going to click on Graphical Tools, Histogram and Descriptive Statistics. Make sure Use Entire Data Table is selected. However, you have to make sure you select the range, which I did not. So click anywhere in your data set. Now you're going to click Graphical Tools, Histograms and Descriptive Statistics, Use Entire Data Table, which selects everything. Click Next. Now for your numeric data variable y, you're going to select normal data, which is actually the only thing there, and you are going to click OK. Now you're going to see that you have a histogram, and you also have your descriptive statistics for this data. At the bottom you have your Anderson-Darling normality test, and you can see if the p-value is greater than or equal to 0.05, the data is considered to be normal. So at this point we can assume the normality of the data. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create a normal probability plot of this data. So you're going to go back to your random data worksheet. Now you're going to click on Graphical Tools, and you're going to click on Normal Probability Plots. Make sure Use Entire Data Table is selected and click Next. Now, of course, normal data is the only thing we can select, so you're going to select that. Then you're going to select Numeric Data Variable Y. We're going to check Add Title, and for the title, we are going to enter Example Normal Probability Plot. OK. And click OK again. And you'll see that a normal probability plot of simulated random data is produced. Now obviously your plot is going to be slightly different than mine because of the random data factor. Your data is not going to be the same. Now you can see that the data points follow the straight line fairly well, which indicates that the data is normally distributed. Now what you're going to do is you are going to click File, Open. Now navigate to your SigmaXL installation directory, and we're going to open Customer Data. Now click on SigmaXL, click on Graphical Tools, click Normal Probability Plots. Make sure Use Entire Data Table is selected and click Next. And then you are going to select Overall Satisfaction as your numeric data variable y, and you are going to click OK. And you'll see a normal probability plot of customer satisfaction data is produced. And once again, to determine if your data is normally distributed, see the earlier histogram and descriptive statistics of customer satisfaction data. Now we would like to stratify the customer satisfaction score by customer type and look at the normal probability plots. So you're going to click on Sheet 1 of your customer data set. You're going to click on Graphical Tools, and you are going to once again click Normal Probability Plots. Make sure Use Entire Data Table is selected and click Next. Now select Overall Satisfaction as your numeric data variable y, and select Customer Type as your group category. Click OK. Now you'll see when I zoom out that normal probability plots of overall satisfaction by customer type are produced. Now you can create a normal probability plot of this data. So you're going to go back to your normal random data, and you're going to click